Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence here. I just wanted to give you a small little video on a fence repair I came out here in North Portland. Look at that bad boy. Man, somebody hit this pretty bad. So it's all asphalt and concrete, all that good stuff. So in order to weave this stuff back in, guys, what you're gonna have to do is come back far enough to where the chain link measures. This is 8-foot stuff, so it's going to have to measure 96 inches from there to there. 96 inches for 8 foot, and then you'll be able to weave that stuff back in. Weaving that stuff back in. Just weaving that stuff back. So it's the salvage. And this is, again, this is a 11 gauge, 8 foot high, 11 gauge, 2-inch mesh, barbed knuckle. And anyway, so I'm gonna give them a price to fix this fence, and we'll see if I get the job. If I get the job, well, then it won't be me doing it. Guys, keep smiling. Have a great day.